Thank you for choosing Robot-Coupe. This is a training video explaining the essential steps for the cleaning and the maintenance of your Blixer. This video is suitable for Blixer 7 and Blixer 7 VV. Cleaning. Dismantle all parts. Remove the fine serrated blade. Remove the Blixer bowl. Remove the scraper by pushing together and twisting. Remove the lid seal. Remove the scrapers. Clean the blade with the cleaning tool. 1 part to remove the blade cap. 2 1 part to clean inside the hub. 3 1 part to clean the openings at the top of the blade, under the cap. Clean the motor base and the control panel. Dry with a clean cloth. Dishwasher safe. Dry all parts before reassembling. Cleaning requirements may vary from country and region. Please be sure to follow your local guidelines. Using the wrong chemicals can damage your machine. Please consult your chemical supplier for best practice. Maintenance, metal blade assembly. Only for Blixer 7 VV, place the locking bracket on the motor shaft. Place the blade on top. Use the tool to loosen the bolt. Unscrew the bolt. Remove each part. Clean and dry each part. Reverse actions to assemble. Attach safety and operating instructions chart to the wall near the machine. For more information, refer to your instruction manual.